Welcome to Brainovolt, where science meets curiosity. Let's dive in. Hi, I'm Nova. Get ready to uncover the fascinating facts about your skin. It's time to get up close and personal. Number 1. The average person produces about 30,000 pints of sweat per year, with most of it happening while we're asleep. That's a lot of moisture. As our bodies regulate temperature and humidity levels, the skin plays a crucial role in this process. Number 2. In 2019, researchers discovered that the human skin is home to over 1 trillion microorganisms. Yes, you read that right, 1 trillion. These tiny critters help keep our skin healthy by breaking down dead skin cells and producing beneficial compounds. Number 3. Did you know that the thickness of your skin can vary depending on where it's located? The thickest part is usually around the soles of your feet, about 2 to 3 millimeters, while the thinnest area is around your eyelids, just 0.05 millimeters thick. Number 4. It takes about 21 days for new skin cells to grow and replace old ones. This process happens constantly, which is why our skin can look different from day to day. Number 5. Skin is the largest organ in the human body, covering an impressive 22 square feet, about the size of a large beach towel. Number 6. The first recorded use of cosmetics dates back to around 400 BC in ancient Mesopotamia. People used crushed gemstones, malachite, and other minerals to color their eyes and lips. Number 7. Our skin is made up of around 20 to 30% water, a crucial component for maintaining its natural barrier function. This percentage can vary depending on factors like humidity, temperature, and individual hydration levels. Number 8. The concept of skin hunger has gained popularity recently, referring to the emotional need for physical touch and connection with others. It's believed that this craving is rooted in our skin's ability to detect and respond to social cues. Number 9. In 2020, scientists discovered that our skin contains a unique type of stem cell called neural crest cells which play a vital role in the development and maintenance of our nervous system. Number 10. The average person sheds around 30 to 40% of their skin cells every day, equivalent to about a quarter cup of dry flakes. This process helps maintain healthy skin function and remove waste products. Stay with me, the best facts are still coming. Trust me, you don't want to miss what's next. Number 11. Did you know that the ancient Egyptians used a mixture of beeswax, olive oil, and red iron oxide to create one of the earliest forms of lip balm? Talk about a natural beauty routine. Number 12. Our skin is capable of detecting even slight changes in temperature, as small as 0.1 degrees Celsius (0.18 degrees Fahrenheit). This sensitivity helps us regulate our body heat and maintain a stable internal environment. Number 13. In the 17th century, scientists believed that the skin was breathable due to its supposed ability to absorb oxygen from the air. We now know this is not entirely accurate, but it's still an interesting piece of history. Number 14. The world's largest skin cancer treatment center is located in Australia, where up to 1 in 5 people will develop melanoma during their lifetime. Number 15. Our skin contains a special type of nerve ending called Merkel cells which are responsible for detecting gentle touch and vibrations, essential for our emotional well-being and social connections. Number 16. In the 1920s, a French dermatologist named Émile Michel Lévy discovered that certain skin conditions could be linked to specific personality traits. This research sparked a new area of study in psychodermatology. Number 17. The human skin has over 600 million sweat glands, which is roughly equivalent to the population of Los Angeles. These tiny glands help regulate our body temperature and maintain overall health. Number 18. In ancient Greece, people believed that the skin was connected to the soul through a network of invisible pathways. This idea led to the development of various skincare routines aimed at cleaning the skin for spiritual purposes. Number 19. The most common skin-related disease worldwide is eczema, affecting over 30% of adults and 20% of children globally. Despite its prevalence, there's still much to be learned about this complex condition. Number 20. Did you know that the human nose can detect an astonishing 1 trillion different scents? Our skin plays a crucial role in processing these smells by detecting subtle changes in pheromones and other chemical signals. Thanks for watching Brainovolt. Subscribe and hit the bell for more mind-expanding facts.